I welcome you to Lighter Brains Online Tutorials H video course part B. Alright guys, so for those of you that are new here to Lighter Brains Online Tutorials channel, YouTube channel, and you are just seeing this H video course for the first time, please just go and watch our part A. We did our introduction part and the basics of H. That is how you can solve H. The basic things that you need to know. We did the past, the present, and the future. Do you understand now? So please, if you have not watched the video, just kindly go to the link. I believe you've seen the link there, and watch the video, because if you don't get this part, like that is, if you don't get the first part, you cannot get this part. Do you understand? That is how aptitude test is, and that is how you can easily understand it and easily answer questions on them. Do you understand? So we are going to answer a different concept here, and the concept is twice, thrice the age. Yeah, twice, thrice the age. Now, how did they set question here? You see something like Mr. A is twice the age of Mr. B. Now let's take example. Mr. A is twice the age. I'm just giving you an example. Age of Mr. B. Do you understand now? For example, if the age of Mr. B is 2 years, for example, according to this statement, they said Mr. A is twice the age of Mr. B. That means Mr. A is equal to 2 into 2 years. Do you understand now? So Mr. A now is equal to 4 years. I believe you see it. So what if they say Mr. A is thrice the age of Mr. B? Do you understand now? But this is quite easy. This will not set you this. So I want to give you two concepts that will enable you to solve questions on thrice, twice, and I also give you questions. I believe you are set now. Just get your paper, get your notes. I believe you've gotten your notes. You write LBUT on it. That is Lighten Brains Online Tutorials, because that is the source you are learning it from. Do you understand? So now let's go. Number one, let's say hint. Number one, if they say that a father, the age of a father, write down, please write this down. The age of a father is twice the son's age. Do you understand? The age of a father is twice the son's age. That is number one concept. Now let me explain this first of all before I go to the second hint. Now they say the age of a father is twice the son's age. The question is that what do you understand by this statement? This is how the questions come in. But before we solve any questions, I want us to just look at this. They said the age of a father is twice the son's age. The age of a father is twice. Okay, now they said that the age of a father is what? Is twice the son's what? Age. So we know that the father is 2 times the son's age. Twice means 2 times, right? And anything they say 2 times, that means it is multiplication. Do you understand? So now let's look at this. Son and what? Father. Now just look at this now. They said the age of a father is twice the son's age. We don't know the son's age, right? So keep it as X. Since we don't know the son's age, we keep it as X. So the present age of the son, I believe I've told you what present age is. I've taught it in the part A. This is just the part B. So please, if you have not watched the part A, go and watch it. So now, according to what they give, they said the father is twice the son's age. That means the father is 2 times the son's age. This is the present age of his what? Of the father. Do you understand now? I believe you get. So this is what this statement means. It's not hard, right? They said the age of a father. The age of a father is twice the son's age. The age of a father is 2 times the son's age. So what you have to do is to keep the son's age as S, because we don't know it. Yes, what you don't know, you keep it as S, right? So the father's age is what? 2 times the age of the son. Do you understand now? The father's age is what? 2 times the age of his son. So now let's look at another concept. I believe you understand this, because I'll be sending questions, and the question that I'll be sending is going to be based on all these concepts. If you can understand this concept very well, like if you can get how to analyze it very well, it is very, very simple. Do you understand now? There's one past question I saw something like this: twice and more, something like that. So please just take note of all these things. The age of a father is twice, especially this word. This one means is 2 times the son's age, which is X. The son's age is what? X, right? So it's 2 times the son's age, or the age of the son. Do you understand? Now let's go to the second concept. Alright. A father. You can use auntie, you can use son, like you can use any relation. You can even use alphabet. If a, do you understand now? Just use anything, but I'm using father because father and son's relationship is very clear to us, right? So now a father is aged 3 times more than his son's age. His age thrice more than his son's age. Now this is simple, just like how I did this. So please don't forget how I did this. And just listen carefully. They said that a father is aged thrice more than his son's age, or a father is aged 3 times more than his son's age, or a father is 3 times more than his son's age. It's all same thing. Do you understand now? Now the thing is simple. How do you interpret this? Son, this is what? Father. Do you understand? How do you interpret this? Say a father is aged 3 times more than his son's age. 3 times more than his son's age. Now this word more means addition. Do you understand? This word more means addition. The son's age is X, and they say that the father, normally we don't know the son's age, right? So you keep it as what? X. And they say that the father is aged 3 times more than his son's age. This word more was the thing that separated this one and this one. Do you understand? So X plus 3X, that is the meaning of this. 3 times more than his son's age. Do you understand now? So that is the meaning of this statement. I believe you get. The meaning of this statement, let me bring here. Father, this is what X, this is what 3X. Sorry, 2X. Do you understand now? They said the father of the age of the father is twice the son's age. That is this one. Why this one is a father is aged 3 times, or you can use 2 times, or you can say twice or thrice more than his son's age. Do you understand now? So that is that, guys. So if you see something like this now, this is your expression. This is how your expression is going to look like. Do you understand now? So it's not hard. It's not hard. You just know this and know this. You'll be very, 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 very okay. Do you understand now? And I believe you also know your signs, your plus, your multiplication, and ego and future. I believe you know that. So now let's move to questions. Okay, before we move to questions, let me just explain it again. For those of you that may say I don't understand, but please replay the video if you don't understand. Let me explain it for the last time. because you have not learned this. They didn't teach us this in schools, in secondary school. That is probably. So now, they said the age of a father is twice the son's age. The son's age, we don't know it, right? We put it at once. Yes. The father is 2 times, that is twice. Same thing, 2 times of twice. They say something is 2 times than another. That means that 2 times or that another thing. So now, so twice the son's age. The son's age is x. So 2 times x will give us 2x. That's how we find this one, 2x. Do you understand now? So the concept too here is that a father is aged 3 times more, thrice more than a son's age. A father is aged thrice more than a son, or 3 times more than a son's age. Now here is the concept. This was x. Normally you don't know the son's age, right? You give it as what, x. So a father is aged 3 times more. This word more. That's why we added plus here. Do you understand? Even in rectangle, one of the aptitude test topic, you also see this more. They also set that question. Yeah. So please just take note of this keyword more. When you are solving questions and you see this word more, it means plus. Do you understand now? So you now say that it's 3 times more. So x plus 3x. Do you understand now? So that is the meaning. Now let's move to questions. I'll be writing the questions here and be solving it here so that it will be clear to us. Question 1. Question 1. Alright. Let's say I am 3 times as old as my son. 15 years. This is 15 years. 15 years hence, I will be twice as old as my son. Now the question here is that the sum of our ages is, now let's look at option A, 60, option B, 50, option C, 70, option D, 80 years. All these ones are years, so please just put it. Alright, so let me explain it. Alright, let me solve this. Please just listen carefully. Solution. He said, I am 3 times as old as my son. Now listen carefully. I am 3 times as old as my son. Alright. In aptitude test, what will help you first of all is if you can analyze the question that it gives to you. Now, this one is, I am 3 times as old as my son. From the concept that I gave you, is it concept 1 or concept 2? Of course, it's concept 1, right? Which states that if a father is thrice the age of his son. Do you understand? So this one is saying, I am 3 times as old as my son. So, the son's age, do we know it? No. The father's age. Now let's find it. The son's age is X. Then we say that I'm 3 times as old as my son. This is your 3x. So the father, which is the one that says I am. Do you understand now? I am 3 times as old as my son. So since the measure son, because wait now, some people say, why did you write father? But they didn't write father here. The reason why you wrote father is because the reason why I wrote father is because they are referring to son. Do you understand that? They say I am. So the person that I am means that person is the father. Is referring to his son. Do you understand now? So the son is X, while the father is what? X. 3X. These are the present age. Do you understand now? These are the present age. Now listen to this case. Let's continue. 15 years hence. 15 years hence. I've told you that whenever they say 15 years hence, it means what? Addition, right? After 15 years, same addition, right? So the 15 years is going to be added to the son's present age, and it's going to be added to his father's present age. So we have x plus 15, x plus 15, and 3x plus 15. I believe you understand now. So just follow me. Comma. Let's say 15 years hence, I will be twice. I will be twice as old as my son. The father is saying that after 15 years, that is after adding 15 years to the son's age, to himself, he said that he will be twice as old as his son. Do you understand? That is 2 times 2x plus 15. The son's age is this one, right? So he will be 2 times as old as his son. So you remember, you remain 3x plus 15. Please, I'm just showing you how to analyze it. In case of you see any question yourself, you can easily analyze it. Do you understand? So this is the question. The sum of our ages is dash. So we now solve it. Do you understand? So 2x, 2 times x, 2x, 2 times 15, 30 equal to 3x plus 15. So when you take x to this side, it will be what? X, because 3 minus 2 will give us what? X is equal to, we take 30 to that side with 15. Do you understand now? So the value of x here is now what? 15. So we can say that now the question they are asking first of all is that the sum of our ages. Do you understand? The man is asking for the sum of their ages. Do you understand now? So the sum of their ages will be, since the son's age is x, and I found x as 15, the son's age and the father's age plus the father's age. The son's age is what? 15 plus the father's age is what? 3x. So 3 times 15 gives us 45. 15 plus 45 gives us 60. It's 60 years. Do you understand now? See, the thing is that if you can analyze it like this and solve like 5 questions or 4 questions, you see that you don't need to be writing all these things. Do you understand? You can easily calculate it in your head. This is the fastest way you can solve this in Delsu Positemi. Do you understand now? Now remember that your Positemi is 30 minutes only. So if you see this type of question should not like take you time. Do you understand? In your Positemi, you already know that this. See, the reason why I'm writing this is because I want you to understand it, the basics first. If you understand the basics, solving itself, you will not be writing all these things. You actually do it in your head. Do you understand now? So now let's move to another question. So the answer here is 60 years. Do you understand now? So the answer here is 60 years. So that is that. Simple. Just know the son's age, x. That's the present age is x. The father's age is 3 times the son's age, which is 3x. Do you understand now? So adding 15 years hence, that is 15 years hence, x plus 15, 3x plus 15. Then the man said again that he will be twice, that is, I will be twice as old as my son. 2 into x plus 15 equal to 3x plus 15. Do you understand now? So after multiplying everything, you take the mathematics, you find your x as 15. So after getting your x as 15, you replace 15 with replace x with 15, which is this one. Son's age is 15. Then the father's age is 3 times x, which is 3 times 15. You give us 45. Do you understand now? So 45 plus 15 will give us 60 years. So the summation of their ages will be what? 60 years. Do you understand? So that is that. So again, they asked you to find the present age of the son. This is the answer, 15 years. The father's age is what? 45 years. Do you understand? So that is that. Now let's move to another question. Alright, so question 2. Question 2. Question 2. Please excuse me for me. Alright, sorry for that. So question 2. It said the sum of present age of A and B. The sum of present age of A and B is 11 times the difference of their ages. Please be writing. Is 11 times the difference of their ages. You see, 5 years hence. 5 years hence. Their total age will be 13 times. Their total age will be 13 times the difference. Will be 13 times the difference of their ages. Difference of their ages. What is the present? Now the question is, what is the present age of the elder one? What is the present age of the elder one? Now let's look at the options. A, we have 20. B, we have 30. C, we have 10. D, we have 5. Now let's look at solution. Alright, so if you're saying, which type of question is this one now? The thing is that it's not abroad, but by God's grace, from the introduction, at least, if I ask you to solve something here, at least you'll be able to analyze something out. Now guys, first of all is what you're analyzing. Just analyze it first. Do you understand? But the thing is that when you have mastered it, there's no need of writing many things down. But for now, for the sake of you guys that are just coming up, I'll write it down. So let's analyze it. They said the sum of present age of A and B is 11 times the difference of their ages. Like, which kind of grammar is this one? Alright, it's simple. They are saying that the sum of age of Mr. A and B, the sum of present age, their sum, that is A plus B. Whenever you see the word sum, it means plus, right? Addition. So the sum of A and B is 11 times the difference of their ages. Is 11 times. Is means what? Equal to, right? So it's 11 times. When they say something is 11 times, I've told you that it means multiplication, right? The difference of their ages, that is A minus B. A minus B. This is the first step. Now another thing, they said 5 years hence. But before we do anything like 5 years hence, let's solve this expression first of all. So A plus B is equal to 11 times A. 11A minus 11B. Do you understand now? So 11 go to this side, we have what? We have minus, right? We have 11a minus a will give us 10. 10a. 11a. 11a minus 10a will give us what? 10a. 10a equal to 11 go to this side, we have minus, so we give us what? 12b. Do you understand now? Because b minus minus 11b will give us what? 12b. Do you understand now? So now, what I want to do now, I want to leave it in this complex form. No, we will do something like we will cancel. When we cancel here by 2, we have 5a. Cancel here by 2, we have 6b. Do you understand now? We have what? 5a and what? 6b. Is it hard? It's not hard. So that is that. So we can continue like this, that a over b is equal to 6 over 5. Do you understand? We have what? 6 over 5. I believe you know when you cross multiply. So that is that for that. So they now further more that 5 years hence. Do you understand now? So now we have found the present age. This is the present age. This is their present age. Do you understand? But the present age now is now in fraction form. So we have to add x to them. This one will now be what? 6x. And b will be what? 5x. Do you understand now? A will be what? 6x, while b will be what? 5x. I believe you get now. For us to find the present age of either the elder one, but they asked us to find the present age of the elder one. Do you understand now? Which is this one. I believe you understand now. Since they are in fraction, you add what? X to their what? To this their present age, because but this is not really the present age. You understand? But according to the this thing given, this is what the present age. But for us to find the present age, you have to what? Add X to each of these guys, and that is the 6 and the 5. Do you understand now? So after adding 5x, like now we add what? 6x and what? 5x. Six x and 5x. We have, according to the equation, it says 5 years hence. That means 6x plus 5. I told you that whenever they say 5 years hence, if these 3 ages, 4 ages, add 5 to them. Do you understand? 5 years hence, their total age will be 5 years hence, that is plus 5 years. 5x plus 5. Do you understand now? 5 years hence, their total age. Total means what? Plus. That is when you sum their ages, it will be. I've told you that whenever you see the word will be means what? Equal to. So we have what? 6x plus 5 plus 5x plus 5 is equal to, they said it's 13 times the difference of their ages. 13 times. 13 into what? The difference of their ages, and their ages is what? 6x and 5x. 6x minus 5 what? X. Close brackets. Do you understand? So when we take things here, 11x, as 6x plus 5x will give us 11x plus 10 is equal to 6x minus 5x will give us what? X. So we have 13 into what? X. I believe you understand now. So this is 11x plus 10 is equal to 13x. Do you get? 11x plus 10 is equal to 13x. So mathematically, when x moves to this side, we have what? 13x minus 11x, which will give us 2. So 10 is equal to what? 2x. Divide by 2 will give us what? 5 what? Yes. Do you understand now? So x is what? 5. So since you found x as what? 5, what are we left with now? They are asking us what is the present age of the elder one. The question is that the elder one, did they state the senior or junior? No. The elder one means which one is what? Is the senior one. This one is what? senior because this one is higher than 5. That is 6 is higher than 5. Do you understand now? So since we found x is equal to 5, the elder one will be 6 times what? Elder will be equal to 6 times 5, which is equal to what? 30 what? Yes. And if they ask you for the age of the junior one, or the junior one is what? 5 times 5, which is equal to 25 what? Yes. But they asked you for the elder one, so please, anyone that they ask you, you can do it. Now the question that some of you will say, yeah, sir, but this will not give us something like this. Let me tell you the truth. I can actually solve this without wasting time, but because I want you to understand the concept, there are some things that I don't need to write here. I can easily do it in my head. Do you understand now? So please just know how to solve it. Do you understand now? So now we move to another question. Alright, so now let's look at the third question. Alright, so they said the present age of a father, the present age of a father. Now let me see. Okay, let us say father is 3 years more than 3 years more than 3 times the age of his son. 3 years more than 3 times the age of his son. Do you understand? And let's say 3 years hence. 3 years hence, the father age will be father age will be 10 years more than twice the age of the son, more than twice the age of the son. Now, the father's present age is A 33, B 60 years, C 100 years, and D 50 years. Alright, so look at this question. Now looking at this question is kind of complex compared to the one that I just solved last. Alright, the question said that, okay, let me just stay here. The question said that the present age of father is 3 years more than 3 times the age of his son. You see from here to this. First of all, analyze it. We analyze it. The present age of father is 3 years more than 3 times the age of his son. Now let's do it again. We don't know the age of his son. So we keep it as S. Do you understand now? So they say that the father age, the present age of the father is what? 3 years more than. 3 years more than. 3 years more than. Now look at it. It's 3 years more than 3 times the age of his son. That is what? 3 plus what? 3x. Do you understand now? More plus than 3 times the age of his son. 3 times the age of his son. 3 times. And the word more. Do you understand now? Now the reason why I wrote 3 here is because he said the father is what? 3 years more. More means what? Plus. Do you understand? Than 3 times the age of his son. Do you understand? 3 times that is 3 times x, which is 3x. Do you understand now? So now let's continue. It says 3 years hence, x plus 3. 3 plus 3x plus 3. Know that this is the present age, and this is the present age. So please don't use this as a present, like don't use this to compute s here, because this is the present age. You use the present age. So 3 years hence, father age will be 10 years more than twice the age of the son. Okay, 10 years more than twice the age of the son. Now this is very simple. We have analyzed the 3 years hence. Analyze that part. The father, that is this one, the father will be what? 10 years more. What do I mean by 10 years more? That is, the man will be what? 10 years plus. Okay? More than 10 years more than twice the age of his son. That is 2 times the age of his son. Now at this point, the age of his son is what? X plus 3. So you see 2 into what? X plus what? 3. Do you understand now? So I've told you that anytime they say this one is thrice the age of this one, or this one is twice or 3 times or 2 times, just multiply that thing by that thing that I'm referring to. Do you understand now? So it's twice the age of his son. So we have this one as what? 3 plus 3x plus 3. Do you understand now? 3 plus 3. So we have, let's do the mathematics. 10 plus 2x, 2 times x, 2x, plus 2 times 3, 6, is equal to 6 plus 3x. Do you understand now? 6 plus 3x. So we can do this. This is 2x plus 16 will give us, that is 2x, then 10 plus 10. 10 plus 6 will give us 16. It's equal to 6 plus 3x. Do you understand? 6 plus 3x. So when this one go to this side, what will you have? When this one go to this side, what will you have? You will have when this one go to this side, you have, that is 3x minus 2x. When this one go to this side, 3x minus 2x will give us what? X. So when this one come to this side, is 16 minus 6, right? So we have 10 is equal to x. Or you can say x is equal to 10. So we found the value of x. Is it hard? It's not hard. Do you understand now? Therefore, they are asking us for the present age of the father. The father present age is, now I've told you that this is the present age, right? This is the present age of the son. And when they say the present age of the son, the present age of the son is what? 10, which is with this x. So the father's present age is what? 3 plus 3x. Do you understand now? 3 plus 3x. So 3 plus 3 into x, which is 10. S is equal to 10, right? You just say into 10. So 3 plus 33. Sorry, 3 plus 30 will give us what? 33 what? Years. So the father's age is what? 33 years. Do you see now? So the thing that you need to do here is just, the answer is 33 years. Do you understand? Alright guys, so this is question 4. They say that if the ages, I've written it down, if the ages of A and C are added to twice the age of B. Now, let's maybe analyze it. But first of all, let me read first. The total becomes 59 if the ages of B and C are added to thrice as 3 times the ages the age of A, the total becomes 68. And if the age of A is added to thrice the age of B and thrice the age of C, the total becomes 108. What is the age of A? A 12, B 13, C 1.09, and D 20. Now guys, this question is very easy. Do you understand? Now let's read it carefully now. If the ages of A and C, A and means plus, take note of that, and means plus C are added to 2 times or twice the age of B plus 2B, the total becomes 59, which is equal to what? 59. A plus C plus 2B is equal to what? 59. That is number 1. That's equation 1. Do you understand? Then I say if the ages of B and C, B plus C, are added to thrice the ages of A, added to 3 times the ages of A, it will give us what? The total becomes what? 68. Do you understand? Then if the age of A is added, the age of A is added to thrice the age of B, that is 3 times the age of B, 3B, plus what? And the thrice the age of C, 3C, will give us what? 108. The total becomes what? 108. Do you understand now? They now say we should find A, the value of A. The value of what? A. Now they're not saying, they didn't say we should find B, we should find A. So in your exam, if you see something like this, now you have to say that, what will I do so that I will eliminate B and C and find A? Do you understand now? Now, you should look at equation 1 and equation 2 and equation 3. You see that if you should add anything in this equation 1, it will not result to the elimination of B and C. Do you understand now? Now let's take for example now, let's add 3. Let's multiply 3 throughout this side. If you multiply anything this side, it will not lead to the elimination of B and C. Do you understand? Note that the goal is to find A, not B and C. So we want to multiply so that we can eliminate this B and C. Do you understand now? So what you're going to do is that, let's rearrange it now. A plus B plus 3A plus B plus C is equal to 68. So we are taking only these 2. Do you understand now? So now let's take A plus what? A plus, let me clean it first so that it will be easier for us to understand. So we are taking the only what is it again? 3A plus B plus C is equal to 68, right? And the other one, which stated that and if the ages of A is added to what? Added twice the age of B, 3B plus 3C is equal to what? 108. It's equal to what? 108. Now let's multiply this by 3. Do you understand? When we multiply this by 3, something is going to happen. Here will become 3B and here will become 3B. Then we now minus. You see that here will get eliminated, here will get eliminated. You now find the value of what? A, because that's what they're asking us in the equation. Do you understand now? So 3 times this, we have 9A plus 3B plus 3C is equal to 3 times 68. Oh God, I'm not better. Alright, so 3 times 68 will give us what? We have 24. We put 4, you carry 2. 3 times 6 will give us 18. 18 plus 2 will give us what? 20. 204. So we have what? 204. Do you understand now? So we have A plus 3B plus 3C is equal to what? 108. Do you understand now? So we are going to minus. I believe you understand now. So a minus 8A minus 9A minus A will give us what? 8A plus 3B minus 3B 0 plus 3C minus 3C will give us 0. equal to 204 minus 108 will give us 96. Do you understand now? So we are now left with what? 8 is equal to 96. So value of A is equal to 96 divided by 8. Now let's cancel. When we cancel with 2 table, here will give us 48. This is equal to 48. 2 table here will give us 4. 2 table again will give us 24. 2 table will give us 2. So 2 table here 1, 2 table here 12. So A, finally, A is equal to what? 12. So A is the answer. So the answer is what? A. Do you understand now? It's quite easy. Do you understand? So the thing is just that for you to know, okay, if they're asking for C, just find how, or let me say, find number that whenever you times that number, it's going to make sure that it eliminates both A and B, so that you find the value of what? C. Do you understand? So it's easy, and that is an. Let's enter the question 5. I'll be reading it out. So please just listen carefully. I'll be reading it out. Yeah, I will be reading it out. So the question what? Question 5. The question 5. All right. So the question says that Amaka married 10 years ago. Amaka married. Now write down. Amaka married 10 years ago. Amaka married 10 years ago. Full stop. Today, her age is 7/5 times her age at the time of her marriage. Today, her age is 7/5 times her age at the time of her marriage. Full stop. Then her daughter's age is 1/5 of her own. Full stop. Her daughter's age is 1/5 of her own. Full stop. What is the ratio of Amaka's age to her daughter age after 5 years? What is the ratio of Amaka's age to her daughter's age after 5 years? Now that is the question. I believe you've written it down. So Amaka married 10 years ago. Do you understand now? 10 years ago, but you don't know the present age. I taught you then in the past, the present, and the future. Do you understand? The present age is X, right? So since they said it is before all those words, so you now say X minus what? 10. I taught you that, right? So if you have not watched the previous video, please go and watch it. Do you understand now? So sorry, let me solve here. So you have what? Our age is what? X minus what? 10. Do you understand now? Our age is X minus 10. So they now ask another question that our daughter is what? Our daughter is 1/5 of her own. But first of all, let's find her age. Do you understand now? They now say that today our age is 7/5 times. Today our age, we don't know our age, right? We take it as unknown, which is X, is 7/5 times 7/5 times our age at the time of our marriage. Our age at the time of our marriage is what? X minus 10. Do you understand? Because they said Amaka married 10 years ago. Do you understand now? So we have 10 minus X minus 10. Do you understand? So 5x is equal to 7x minus 70. Do you understand? So 7 go to this side, we have what? 2x is equal to what? 70. Cancel. X is equal to what? 35. Do you understand now? So now this is the age of what? Amaka, which is the mother of what? This is her daughter. Do you understand? Now let's look at our daughter's age. They say that our daughter is 1/5 of her age of. Know that of means multiplication. Do you understand now? Here. So please take note of that. 1/5 of her age. Now, what is the ratio of Mina's age to her daughter after 5 years? So cancel 5 here 1, you cancel 5 here 7. So our daughter will be what 7 years. Our mother will be what 5 years. Do you understand now? Mother and daughter. Mother is what 35 years. Then our daughter is what 7 years. Do you understand now? So now after that one, you see that there's a condition that they give to you. They said, what is the ratio of Amaka's age, which is the mother, to her daughter's age after 5 years? That is 35 plus 5 ratio 7 plus 5. We have 40 ratio 12. Do you understand now? 4 year 10, 4 year 3. This is the answer, 10/3. Do you understand? So this is the answer to the last question. So this is quite easy, it's not hard. Do you understand? It's not hard, it's easy. Just know the goal. That's why I told you guys that please go and watch the previous video, which is what the part B of the part A of the class. All right. So guys, the thing is that I believe that you guys understand, and if you don't understand, the thing is just play the video back. You understand? Play the video back, and this is likely based on my tutorials, so it's where you guys are learning from, and this is just little of what we do in our classes. So please, if you're writing the Delta Procedure, I don't know what you're waiting for. The thing is that all the tutors are experienced. That is number one. Yes, I don't bring any out tutors to my tutorial. Do you understand now? So people that are coaching, people that have experienced they're supposed to know. And also know that aptitude test is not just the area that DESO sets. Aptitude test is one of the area. Do you understand? So see you in my next video. Thank you very much.